So once the child is comfortably reading the CBC words, the next part is for him to read the sentences. And for him to read the sentences, he needs to be aware about the sight words. A very good way to teach him the sight words is to use the Anandaya Foundation books. Over here, I would also like to tell you that sight words cannot be read phonetically. They cannot be sounded out. They need to be learned. They need to be learned like rote learning because they do not have a definite pattern. They do not have a definite phonetic pattern. Let me show you how to introduce the sight word books to the child. So these are the 5 books which would be available in your library if it has been created by the Anandaya Foundation. Now, why are these books called the sight word books? They are called sight words because they just have to be looked at and read. They are also called the look and read words. These words cannot be sounded out phonetically, but they are very important to learn these words for a child to read sentences. Let's look at these words. Sight word book level 1. As in a pen, a book, a fan. Is. Sight word book 2. Are. Go. Now these books have many more words in it. I'm just giving you an example on how to introduce these books to the child. Book 3. Of. 1. Book 4. So. Can. Book 5. You. This. So, please practice the book number 1 to book number 5 with the child, and once you have done that, you are ready to do the sentences with CBC words, which is the next series of our videos, and we are going to explain in the next video how to read sentences with the CBC words. Thank you.
To purchase Anandaya Foundation books, email to reach us at anandayafoundation.org. For digital books and the tutorials, visit www.anandayafoundation.org.